In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter business expenses paid from a personal account in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever paid for a business purchase using your own personal funds, it's important to record that correctly in QuickBooks. Doing this helps keep your books accurate by showing both the business expense and the fact that you personally covered the cost. That way your reports stay clean and you'll have a better record for bookkeeping and reimbursements later if needed. To get started, open QuickBooks Online and create a new expense transaction. You can do this by selecting the plus New button, which may also appear as Create depending on your version. From the menu, choose Expense. This opens the expense entry screen where you'll record the purchase. Next, go to the Payment Account field. Since the expense was not paid directly from the business bank account or business credit card, you'll want to select the owner's equity account, or in some setups, the owner's investment account. This tells QuickBooks that the money came from the owner personally rather than from the business itself. Using the correct payment account here is the key part of entering this type of transaction properly. After that, move down to the Category Details section. This is where you assign the purchase to the right expense account. Choose the expense category that best matches what was bought. For example, if it was office supplies, select your office supplies expense account. If it was software, meals, travel, or another type of business cost, choose the appropriate account for that purchase. Then enter the amount that was paid. Take a moment to review the information before saving. Make sure the payment account reflects owner's equity or owner's investment, and confirm that the category and amount are correct. This quick review can help prevent misclassifying the transaction, which is especially helpful when you're reconciling your books or reviewing financial statements later. Once everything looks right, click Save and Close. That's it. The transaction is now recorded as a business expense paid personally without incorrectly affecting your business bank balance. This is a simple but important bookkeeping task, and entering it this way helps ensure your financial records reflect what really happened. If you regularly pay business expenses personally, being consistent with this method will make your bookkeeping much easier and more accurate over time.